Hi everyone, today I'm gonna draw Jigglypuff from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna draw its eyes first. So I'm gonna draw a circle. And inside of that circle, I'm going to draw another circle. And then at the top corner of the right side, I'm going to draw a smaller circle. And repeat that for the right eye. Okay? Now I'm gonna draw its hair. So I'm gonna start at this middle point of the head here and draw a spiral shape. So I'm gonna start at the middle here and draw a small spiral and make it bigger as you go out and go upwards and then stop there. Now from this point I'm gonna draw a triangular shape upwards and I'm gonna draw it like that and then go down. And then inside of that triangular shape, I'm gonna draw a smaller triangle. And on the other side of the head, I'm gonna draw his right ear. You're gonna just repeat the triangular shape on this side. And then at the sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw a line outwards like that, and then curve it in and back in. Now from the left side of the face, from the left side of the ear, I'm gonna draw a similar line mirror on this side, but we're gonna go down straight to the feet. Like that. And below the arms on the right, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line. That, and then from this point I'm gonna draw the legs, and I'm gonna draw a series of curved lines, a long one, and then we curve it in and down back to the base of the body. And then in the middle of the feet, I'm gonna draw a short curved line like that, and then we're gonna repeat the legs on the right side and mirror that. For his hand on the left, I'm gonna draw from below his eye here, I'm gonna draw a line, curved line like that, and turn it back out. I'm gonna make him hold a microphone, So from this point below his arm, I'm gonna draw a straight line to the left, like that, and another line here, and then on top above the arms I'm gonna draw a short line like that, and then join the two lines together with a short curved line. The same goes to the bottom of the microphone, and then another curved line on this side, and slightly above those two lines I'm going to draw another curved line. Now for the head of the microphone, I'm going to draw a curved line here, and then a straight line in, and then another on this side, and join the two together with a curved line. Now I'm gonna draw his mouth, so we're gonna take the center point between his eyes here and make a line across, and then from the side, the point on the side, I'm gonna draw a line downwards towards the microphone here, and the other side, on the right side, I'm gonna draw downwards and curve it up towards the microphone. And for his tongue, I'm gonna draw a curved line inside of the mouth from this point here to the front of the mouth. And then at his hair, I'm gonna draw from this point here. I'm gonna finish up and draw a curved line to there. That's it for Jigglypuff. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.